We're going to turn now to Starbucks shutting down 8,000 of their stores this afternoon for racial bias training after two black men were arrested last month, sparking protests across the country. ABC's Lindsay Davis is there in Philadelphia where those arrests took place, and this all started. Good morning, Lindsay.
Good morning, Amy. This location is actually closing at 11:30 this morning, so be sure to get your venti lattes and frappuccinos early because this afternoon Starbucks is shuttering all of its corporate-owned stores across the country. You likely remember the incident that led to this day. Of course, the video of the two black men arrested for trespassing at this Philadelphia Starbucks after one of them asked to use the bathroom without making a purchase. Now Starbucks is attempting to use that as a teachable moment. So today at around 2 p.m., more than 8,000 Starbucks locations across the country will close for unconscious bias training for 175,000 employees. Starbucks describes it as a 4-hour master class designed to address implicit bias, promote inclusion, and help prevent discrimination in the hopes of preventing future incidences. Workers will watch a video featuring Starbucks executives, watch a documentary, and then they'll break into smaller discussion groups to talk about their own experiences. Now, one change that's already come about as a result of what happened, the company now says that anyone can use Starbucks spaces, including restrooms, without making a purchase. Now, some critics are saying, hey, this is just all one big PR stunt. But Starbucks is saying, look, we don't expect this to be a magic wand or an overnight fix. This is just the start to a long-term commitment. Amy, they're just starting the conversation.
Yeah, and a very quick reaction indeed. In that training video, I understand there's a very familiar face.
Yes, the activist and rapper Common appears in the training video, and he basically talks about how we can see each other fully and respectfully. Amy.
All right, Lindsay, thank you so much. And just so happens, Common will be here live later this morning. We're looking forward to that.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.